Choose Your Partner videos are going absolutely viral on TikTok right now. This page has 52,000 followers and is pulling in millions of views on their videos, and the best part is they're making thousands of dollars per month on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the Choose Your Partner generator, and click the first link. In the GPT, click Start the Generator. It's going to give you 3 options: create your characters, a script, or a video. Type section 1 to start with the characters. Then it'll give you 10 different characters to choose from. I'm going to type Mika and Axel. Once it loads, the GPT gives you image prompts for each character. Copy the first one and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in, set the output to 16:9 and 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. While that's loading, copy the second character prompt, paste it into OpenArt, keep the same settings, and generate. Once they're both ready, click on Character in the left sidebar. Choose Start from an image. Click on History, pick the image you like, type in their name, and hit Create. Then do the exact same for the second character. When your characters are uploaded, go back to the GPT and type section 2 to move into the script section. It's going to ask who your characters are. I'll type Mika and Axel. Then it gives you 10 scene options. Just pick a number, describe your own, or say more for more ideas. I'm going to go with number 2. Once the script's loaded, copy the whole thing and head over to ElevenLabs. The link's in the description. In ElevenLabs, click on Voices, find one you like, and hit Add to my voices. Then go to Text-to-Speech, paste in your script, choose the voice you just saved, dial in your settings, and hit Generate Speech. Now go back to the GPT and type section 3 for the video section. This part works scene by scene. You paste in a chunk of your script, and the GPT gives you an image prompt and a video prompt for that specific part. So paste your full script into a Google Doc first, then copy the first section and paste it into the GPT. Copy the image prompt it gives you and go back to OpenArt. Go to the Image tab, click on Characters and Worlds, add in the characters you made, and paste your prompt in. Where it says to tag your character, delete that and type at your character name. This keeps things consistent. Change the output to 9:16 and hit Generate. Once your image is ready, click Frame to Video. Click on Model and choose Kling 3.0. Go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, paste it in, and add in your characters again. Tag them in the prompt where it tells you to, choose your settings and set your length to fit the clip, and hit Generate. Now just repeat that for every part of your script. Generate all your images and videos using the same method. Once everything's generated, drop it all into your editing software. Cut it to your voiceover, add the countdown timer at the start, generate your captions, and you've got a Choose Your Partner video ready to go. And it's that simple. Here's one I made using this exact method.
Don't ask why, just don't choose him.
Choose your partner for tonight, Ruben or Lola. If you choose Ruben, the cargo ship leaves port at 11:43 p.m. Containers groan above you while seawater drips from the ceiling pipes. Ruben stands at the rail with his hood up, staring into the black ocean like he's listening to someone below the surface. Halfway through the crossing, every light on the ship cuts out.
You heard that too?
Ruben asks you.
So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.